Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.
In this video, we will cover top 15 must-know QA automation interview questions. Question 1. Suppose you're testing a web application with Selenium. Which locator strategy is usually the most reliable? The correct answer is ID. As unique IDs are the most stable and reliable way to locate elements in Selenium. Question 2. If a test keeps failing due to dynamic elements that change every session, how would you handle it? The correct answer is use dynamic XPath or CSS patterns. As dynamic locators with patterns or attributes, like contains, help handle changing elements. Question 3. When you design an automation suite, which type of tests should you prioritize automating? The correct answer is repetitive regression tests. As regression and repetitive tasks benefit the most from automation. Question 4. Let's say your automation test is failing because the page takes longer to load. What's the best way to handle this? The correct answer is use implicit or explicit waits. As waits make scripts more reliable by synchronizing with dynamic web elements. Question 5. If your automation framework has thousands of test cases, what's one way you'd speed up execution? The correct answer is execute tests in parallel. As parallel execution reduces test cycle time significantly. Question 6. When you write test automation scripts, how do you usually keep them maintainable? The correct answer is follow page object model, POM. As POM improves reusability and reduces maintenance overhead. Question 7. If your automation suite fails suddenly after a UI change, what should you check first? The correct answer is locator strategies. As UI changes often break locators like XPath, ID, or CSS selectors. Question 8. How do you usually handle test data in automation frameworks? The correct answer is use external files like Excel, JSON, or databases. As externalizing data supports data-driven testing and makes scripts more flexible. Question 9. When integrating test automation into CI/CD, which tool would you commonly use? The correct answer is Jenkins. As Jenkins is widely used to schedule, execute, and report automated tests in CI/CD. Question 10. Let's say your Selenium script fails only on certain browsers. How would you troubleshoot? The correct answer is check browser drivers and compatibility. As browser driver mismatches often cause inconsistent execution. Question 11. Suppose your manager asks how you measure the effectiveness of automation. What would you check? The correct answer is test execution speed and coverage. As automation effectiveness is judged by coverage, speed, and defect detection rate. Question 12. If you're automating API tests, which tool would you likely use? The correct answer is Postman or Rest Assured. As Postman, manual, and Rest Assured, automation, are widely used for API testing. Question 13. When you run automation tests in Jenkins, how do you usually view test results? The correct answer is in console logs or HTML reports. As Jenkins integrates with reporting plugins like Allure or Extent reports. Question 14. If your automated test case depends on data from the database, how would you handle it? The correct answer is connect to the database in fetch queries. As database validation ensures data integrity and real-world test accuracy. Question 15. How would you decide whether a test should be automated or manual? The correct answer is based on cost, frequency, and repeatability. as not all tests are suitable for automation. Repetitive, stable, and high-value tests are prioritized.